We're making scrambled eggs with a Punjabi twist today. This is a recipe inspired by my mom. She used to make this for us all the time when we were growing up, and now I've been making it for my family. We all enjoy this meal. Well, actually it's a snack, or you can make it for breakfast if you fancy something that's got a little bit more flavour. Chopped onion, just chopped roughly, some chopped tomato. So we've got eggs, to which we add some salt, a little bit of salt, not too much, some garam masala, some flake chilies. You can use fresh chilies if you prefer, or leave the chilies out. Some fresh coriander leaves, or even dried if you've got those and you haven't got the fresh. Give that a real good stir and a whisk, so you add some air into it so it becomes nice and fluffy as you're cooking it in the pan. Add a tablespoon of oil, bring it up to heat, put the egg mixture in there. I've used frozen peas here. You can use fresh peas or any other vegetables you'd like to add. You can add chopped peppers, mushrooms, whatever you've got left over or whatever you fancy. Give it a good stir, make sure you keep stirring so it doesn't stick, as well as you want it to scramble it, so as you're stirring, you're scrambling your egg. Brown it. Unlike scrambled eggs, you need to brown this dish, it adds more flavour. And there you have your scrambled eggs. Absolutely beautiful, the taste is fantastic.